Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and I want to make a really quick video for my friend Patrick Chan. And it's kind of interesting. I actually met him almost a decade ago, about 10 years ago. We were both online at the same time, trying to learn this whole internet marketing game and figure out how to start a business and how to grow a company and all these things. And it's been so fun to watch him over the years take his own businesses from ideas and these concepts and then turn them into businesses that have done millions of dollars in sales. And but what's even more impressive to me is not only has he done that for himself and his own businesses, he's literally taken thousands of students from all around the world and taken them through that same process. And he's got tons and tons of success stories of people that he's been able to touch with what he knows and the strategies he has, and help them to start their own businesses online too. And he's just someone that I trust him. He's a great friend and someone who's been a mentor and a friend to me for over a decade now. And it's been fun to share with him strategies and ideas. And he's someone who I trust. And if you guys have a chance to work with him, definitely take him up on the opportunity. He knows what he's talking about. He's got results for himself and for others, and that's what really counts. That's what matters. So Patrick is amazing, and I hope you guys have a chance to get to know him better.